So for my spring dish, I'm cooking quinoa pudding. The quinoa being the Future 50 ingredient, it gives a nice kind of nutty flavour to it. I've paired that with some rhubarb, one of the great British seasonal ingredients. Right, I'm going to get my quinoa pudding on, some almond milk, some coconut milk, a little bit of honey, and then some aromats, half a vanilla pod, a couple of lime leaves, lime zest, cardamom, and then quinoa. Bring that to the boil. Just going to finish this with a little extra coconut milk just to loosen it a touch. And a little bit more honey. A touch of lime juice just to balance the sweetness and the richness. And that is done. Just going to spoon some of our quinoa in the bottom. This is really rich with all that coconut milk and almond milk. Rhubarb will really cut through that richness. The rhubarb, once it's cooked, has just been soaked in some of the cooking liquor which has been reduced down to make a syrup. A nice scoop of rhubarb sorbet on the top. A nice warm quinoa pudding and the ice cold sorbet. I'm just going to finish it with some Thai basil. So this is my quinoa pudding with rhubarb and a little bit of Thai basil. Works beautifully for springtime.